This video is part of a series of 4 videos that cover the installation requirements for the Zowe ZOS convenience build. We recommend that you bookmark the link at the bottom of the screen. It will appear throughout each of the videos. In this video, you will learn about the network requirements for Zowe and the client PC requirements for running Zowe Desktop. Zowe requires a minimum of 8 network ports. By default, port numbers range from 7552 to 7559. The port numbers are assigned to a variable name in the Zowe YAML file and can be changed there. Here are some examples. Port number 7552 is assigned to the variable Zowe Components API Catalog port. It is used to view API Swagger and OpenAPI specifications for the register's API services in the API catalog. Port number 7555 is assigned to the variable Zowe Components Caching Service port, which is the caching service used to share state between different Zowe instances in a high availability topology. For a complete list of port numbers, their variable names, and their meaning, please refer to the Systems Requirements page. The Zowe Desktop runs within a browser. There are no browser extensions or plugins required. Zowe supports Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Edge versions less than 1 year old, unless the latest version is older. For Firefox, both regular and extended support release versions are supported under this rule. It is recommended that you use Google Chrome when attempting to access the API catalog. You may experience errors when accessing the API catalog using Firefox. If you do not see your browser listed here, please contact the Zowe community so that it can be validated and included.